Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kid's guitar is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make as a parent who wants to nurture your child's musical talent, and finding the perfect instrument can be overwhelming with so many options available. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when choosing a guitar for your little one, ensuring a fun and engaging learning experience that sets them up for musical success. Number 5. Best Choice 30 inches Kids Acoustic Guitar. Everything is included. You get a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, and even picks. No need to buy anything else to start playing. It's easy to learn on this guitar. The nylon strings are gentle on your fingers and stay in tune, creating a beautiful sound. Made from durable hardwood with a lacquered finish, it looks, feels, and sounds like a full-size guitar, making learning comfortable. It has the classic curves and sound of an acoustic guitar. The comfortable string spacing makes it easy to play and reduces fatigue. The perfect size for little hands to reach all the notes. It comes in several colors, so your child can find their perfect match. It measures 30 inches in length, 10.5 inches in width, and 2.75 inches in height. The perfect size for young musicians. What we like? This guitar comes with everything you need to start playing right away, including a carrying case and extra strings. The nylon strings are easier on little fingers and produce a beautiful tone. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-play set for your child, this is the one for you. What people say. For as much as it cost and all that came with it, pitch pipe, Snark brand digital tuner, pick, pretty pick guard decal, extra set of strings, nylon carrying case and shoulder strap. It's just a nice little affordable guitar. The package typically includes the guitar, a gig bag, an extra set of strings, a pick, a strap, and an instruction booklet or online resources. This makes it convenient for beginners to get started right away without needing to purchase additional accessories separately. Number 4. Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. It's the perfect instrument for aspiring musicians of all ages. Everything you need to start your musical journey is included. This 3/4 size guitar is ideal for small hands and comfortable for lessons, practice, or performances. It's the perfect size for beginners and children. It boasts handcrafted construction with a linden wood body, a beautiful finish, and durable materials. You'll appreciate its quality and craftsmanship. This kit includes everything you need to start playing right away. A gig bag, extra strings, picks, and a cleaning cloth are all provided. It's designed to make learning easy and fun. Start playing your favorite songs right out of the box. With a 36-inch total length, 18 frets, and nylon strings, it's perfectly sized for young players and beginners. The high-gloss finish adds to its beauty. What we like? It boasts handcrafted construction with high-quality materials. This all-in-one set includes everything needed to start playing, from a gig bag to extra strings. If you value quality and want a guitar that will last, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's good for kids and adults. The size of the guitar is perfect. I'm happy with the setup, the strings, and the tone. Great starter instrument for a kid. Number 3. Pyle Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. It's more than just a guitar, it's a complete set with everything you need to start your musical journey. Everything is included, so you can begin playing right away. This guitar is designed for younger players or those just starting. Its smaller size makes it comfortable and easy to handle. It's not just a beginner guitar, it's handcrafted with quality materials. Notice the beautiful linden wood body and polished finish. Unpack it, tune it, and start playing. Everything you need is included in this convenient kit. With a 36-inch length, 18 frets, and a comfortable design, it's perfect for learning and practicing. The nylon strings are gentle on the fingers. What we like? This guitar features handcrafted construction from high-quality wood. It comes with everything you need to start playing immediately, making it perfect for beginners. If you want a beautiful, durable, and complete set for your child, this is a great option. What people say. It's good for kids and adults. The size of the guitar is perfect. I'm happy with the setup, the strings, and the tone. Great starter instrument for a kid. Number 2. YOLOPLUS Plus 17 Kids Ukulele. It's a small, safe ukulele perfect for little ones. Made of kid-friendly materials, it's designed for hours of fun and worry-free play. This ukulele is easy to tune and play, even for beginners. The soft strings are gentle on small fingers and won't break easily. It has a smooth surface and comfortable grip, making it easy and enjoyable for kids to play. The frets are designed for little fingers. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun way to introduce kids to music. Its compact size makes it easy for kids to carry around. It encourages creativity and a love for music wherever they go. What we like. This ukulele is small, lightweight, and made from safe materials, perfect for toddlers. It's easy to tune and play, making it ideal for introducing young children to music. If you are looking for a fun and safe first musical instrument for your little one, this is it. What people say. It is inexpensive, so no one is agonizing over how he is treating it. He has banged it around and dragged it across the floor. This uke is plastic and can take a beating. The size is perfect for kids and adults. Plays like a regular uke. I would say it has great entertainment value and would be a great addition to a toddler rhythm instrument set for playtime. It is much smaller than your typical ukulele, great for children. The strings are slightly gentler on young fingers compared to regular nylon strings. Number 1. Yamaha JR1FG Junior Guitar. It's a 3/4 sized acoustic guitar, modeled after the acclaimed FG series. This makes it perfect for younger players or those with smaller hands. It features a smaller body and shorter neck, making it incredibly comfortable to play. It's also easy to transport, ideal for travel. Despite its size, it boasts the authentic acoustic tone you'd expect from a Yamaha. The spruce top ensures rich, resonant sound. It's the ideal guitar for young musicians starting their musical journey. Its comfortable size and playability make learning fun and easy. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. Plus, it comes with a gig bag for safe storage and transport. It combines quality craftsmanship with affordability. This guitar offers exceptional value for its size and features. What we like. This guitar is perfectly sized for young players or those with smaller hands. It offers an authentic acoustic tone thanks to Yamaha's craftsmanship. If you want a high-quality, smaller-sized guitar with a great sound, this is the one to choose. What people say. It has good intonation, has a more than decent rich sound to it. It is definitely not a toy guitar. Fit and finish is nice for the money, burst looks nice, and having both strap buttons installed is unusual and a nice surprise. Good quality built and sounds great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.